The Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid and Ioniq Electric were two of the more pleasant surprises of 2017. Besides their lofty fuel economy and useful electric range, respectively, they boasted reasonable pricing, a useful interior and shockingly buttoned-down handling. They could almost be deemed fun to drive. Yet, there was a missing member of the family for 2017. While we always knew a plug-in hybrid would be added, it was with its siblings when the Ioniq was introduced at the 2016 New York Auto Show, and we drove a prototype earlier this year. It wouldn't be until year 2 when the production car would show its face. And although the face is shared with the Ioniq Hybrid rather than the Electric, the 2018 Hyundai Ioniq Plug-in Hybrid obviously has its own set of facts and figures that have now been revealed. Chief among them is a 29-mile all-electric driving range, which, when depleted, effectively turns the Ioniq plug-in into a regular hybrid capable of 52 miles per gallon combined. It has a 119 mph estimate, for whatever that's worth. To put all those numbers into perspective, there's the Toyota Prius Prime, 25 miles, 54 miles per gallon combined, 133 mph, the Honda Clarity Plug-in Hybrid, 48 miles, 42 miles per gallon combined, 110 mph, Chevrolet Volt, 53 miles, 42 miles per gallon combined, 106 mph, and the Ioniq's mechanical sibling, the Kia Niro Plug-in Hybrid, 26 miles, 46 miles per gallon combined, 105 mph. Pricing for the Ioniq Plug-in Hybrid starts at $25,835, including destination. The limited trim level starts at $29,185. By comparison, the regular Ioniq Hybrid starts at $22,200 for its blue trim and goes up to $27,550 for the limited trim. However, keep in mind that the plug-in hybrid is subject to a $4,500 federal tax rebate plus whatever your particular state doles out. As such, the plug-in hybrid is effectively cheaper. That's also the case with the Toyota Prius Prime relative to the regular Prius. However, the Prime starts at just north of $27,995, including destination. A regular Prius base price is also only about $1,500 lower than the Ioniq Hybrid. In other words, the plug-in hybrid seems like a screaming bargain, and if its siblings are any indication, it'll be a pretty appealing car, too.